Hello friends, this is Rod from risemarketer.com, and in today's video I'm going to go over the hosting company Bluehost in today's review. Now, with Bluehost, they are actually one of the largest hosting companies out there in the market today. Right now, the top three, in my opinion, is Bluehost, HostGator, and GoDaddy. Those are the top biggest hosting companies in the market, but I chose Bluehost mainly because I was very impressed with the professionalism and overall quality of their product. Now, Bluehost has over 2 million websites worldwide that they currently power, and about half of that are WordPress sites, and they're also a dedicated WordPress server as well. Now, Bluehost, what I'm surprised is they have an anytime refund money back guarantee. They have $150 in offers that you can get. You can get free themes, I believe, from Woo Themes, and you also get ad credit for Google and Yahoo as well. What really surprised me as well was their 24/7 customer support. When I was migrating my website from Site 5 to Bluehost, the integration was seamless. And again, their toll-free number, I mean, the people are very nice. They're very professional, concise, and very prompt. Also, their cPanel is fairly advanced as well. There's a lot of features that Bluehost offers compared to other hosting companies. Other than that, this is what the plans currently look like right now. Right now, the plan that I'm in is at Plus. I'm probably going to upgrade soon as my website gains more traction. But overall, right now, there's a discounted price if you click the link below. It's only $7.99 right now. It's on sale for $3.95 per month. So as you watch this video, you can actually get Bluehost at a discounted price by clicking on the link below. Now, Bluehost has been around for a very long time. They've been around since 2003, so right now it's 2015, so they've been around for 12 years, and as you watch this video, it'll probably be 2016, 2017, and Bluehost is still going to be around. Bluehost is based in Utah, and they have over 700 plus employees who are pushing the boundaries for the company. And another cool fact is that WordPress actually recommends Bluehost as a primary hosting company since 2005. So in the last decade, WordPress.org has endorsed Bluehost as a primary server and hosting company. So that's also another good brownie point for Bluehost. And performance-wise, now I use this tool called GTmetrix to test my website speed, and the important number that you'd like to see over here is the page load time. Now, the average page load time for most websites is 6.7 seconds, and right now it's at 2.3 seconds. Now, that's very, very fast considering I'm using a standard or the standard option that Bluehost provides. So that's really, really impressive. So I can't wait to see what they have once I get into dedicated hosting or VPN hosting in the future. But overall, it's really quick speeds. I also noticed when you go in here, this is what you'll see inside Bluehost. As you can see right here, they have the $150 worth of credits. Actually, it's $250 now. You can buy and get free WordPress themes from Woo Themes or get ad credit. You also get an email manager where you can basically have your own self-hosted webmail hosting to basically have your own unique email instead of redirects compared to other hosting companies. You could also install WordPress with the one-click installs right here on this page, along with other formats as well. I believe that's pretty impressive compared to other companies that don't do that. Other than that, they also have an awesome tool called Site Backup Pro. I believe it's an extra cost, but it's very, very minimal. I believe it's like $20 a year or $199 a month. I'm using this because just in case your website goes down or it gets hacked and everything, if the poop hits the fan on your website, at least everything will be backed up, and Bluehost has that offer as well. But yeah, overall, Bluehost is a very good company. I now use all my websites for it. I mean, it's really good hosting, really quick speeds, especially for SEO. That's also a big part of that as well, to lessen your bounce rate. And yeah, overall, it's a very, very good company. I've heard that with Bluehost, that all their data centers are in-house compared to other hosting companies. So other hosting companies are probably using Bluehost's data centers as well. Other than that, I also saw on their blog that all their all their facilities have backup generators. So in case a power outage goes out in that city, it will still continually run. So that's actually fairly impressive. Other than that, they have a 99.99% current run-up time. That's very, very good considering other hosting companies, you know, they pretty much slip. But yeah, overall, Bluehost is a very, very good company. I'd recommend them to any person who wants to start building a website, or any business owner that wants to start a website. And if you want to get a discounted price, go ahead and click the link below. I love Bluehost to the point where I actually became an affiliate now, and you also get a special discount by clicking the link below. So again, it's Rod from risemarketer.com. I hope you enjoyed this review, and I'll see you on the next one.